Hi, my name is Tanya and welcome to my channel where I will be teaching you about my Jamaican patois, and I will be providing you with the help needed and ideas on how to speak the language. I am a proud Jamaican on a mission, teaching the language, learning with you. Today, me, I got to teach you about some popular Jamaican phrases. I am going to teach you about some Jamaican phrases, and this will help you to learn more about the Jamaican patois. The first phrase that we're going to talk about is a idiat thing that. A idiat thing that. A idiat thing that, right? When a person sees or hears of anything that does not make sense, a Jamaican will say a idiat thing that, right? This can be from starting an unnecessary argument with someone or saying rude comments about a person that is uncalled for. So you can just say a idiat thing that, right? A idiat thing that simply means that this is foolishness. A idiat thing that, right? Now, the next phrase that we want to look at is how do you? How do you? How do you can be used out of concern as well as it can be used out of annoyance. For example, your child keeps crying. You just start crying for no reason, as if a wasp or a bee has stung the child. But the child just keeps crying. But you as a Jamaican, you will go and say, how do you? How do you? And you will ask the question for maybe about 4 times until the child can respond. What do you simply means what is wrong with you? How do you? How do you? Right? Out of annoyance, you can take your child to the store and the child keeps crying for ice cream, everything, toys, gifts, and so on. So what you can say to the child is, how do you, man? What the hell is wrong with you? Right? So you're saying, how do you? So that is out of annoyance. The child is annoying you. So you say, how do you? So that is why this phrase can be used both ways. Out of concern, where you're wondering what is wrong with someone or a person, or it can be used in annoyance, where somebody truly annoying and you have to ask how do them, or what is wrong, what the hell is wrong with them. All right, another phrase that we are looking at now is I saw you gwaan. I saw you gwaan. I saw you gwaan, right? And I saw you gwaan, you might be appalled or disappointed by someone's action, and you will definitely have to say I saw you gwaan by how the person acts or how the person you will already know about the person's behavior. You know how the person stay. If the person mean, it means. So you know, say I saw you gwaan. If the person love to spend, you can live with your boyfriend or your girlfriend, and their action is to always go ahead and purchase unnecessary things. And when you talk to them about it, as a Jamaican, all you can say, I saw you gwaan. Right? You call Uncle John overseas, living in the United States of America, and you call him and you say, Uncle John, can you give me $10 please? But Uncle John always says no, but you still keep asking. So you know, going to say to Uncle John, I saw you gwaan. Right? I saw you gwaan. So I saw you gwaan, it simply means that's how you're going to act, or that is how you act, right? The final one we're looking at is I eat this. I eat this. I eat this, right? The final Jamaican phrase that we're looking at is I eat this. And this simply means this is it. We're at the end of the show, so I'm going to just say I eat this. I eat this, right? Another example that can be used though to tell you I eat this, or to say I eat this. Another example is if you take a taxi or you take a cab and you tell the driver where you want to go, and when the driver arrives at your destination, the driver says, I eat this. That simply means that you have arrived. This is it. I eat this. Right? So now we're at the end. We have looked at four popular Jamaican phrases, and I do hope that you will practice them. You will use them in your daily lives at home, whether your spouse, or you can use it with your mom, your family members. Use it with your family members. Use the phrases, and then you will be so surprised how they would react to you speaking the Jamaican language and using it in such a way, right? So remember that you can always send me an email. Please, anything, any questions, anything that you want to know about me, send me an email and I will respond. I will respond throughout my videos, so you can get to know and feel and have a better understanding of who I am teaching you, right? Now, remember, if this is your first time watching, please remember to subscribe and leave your comments below, right? Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Little more.